Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 20A, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Click on this app and download it. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Now open it. Click Allow and tap Home button. Go into Settings, scroll all the way down and click on App Management. Then Default App and Home App. Over here you need to click on iOS Launcher and tap Got it. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!